Hey, would you like to recruit more business builders to your team? The ones who are just like you? How would it feel to have mini yous running your business that are already leaders, that are action takers, instead of having to push your team to take action? In this video, I'm going to share with you how to get more business builders like that. And if you've never seen any of my videos, my name is Anna Stropnik, and I help network marketers grow their business online using attraction marketing so they can attract their ideal prospects to them. They don't have to be annoying and bugging their friends and family or chasing strangers, so they can create a lifestyle that they love. Also, consider subscribing to this channel because on here I share a new episode helping you with your business every single week. Okay, in order for us to attract business builders, number one thing is what we need to know is we need to know exactly who we are looking to attract. What are their characteristics? So take your time and put it on the paper. What kind of characteristics would you like this ideal team member of yours to have? Maybe what kind of career, what kind of income they're looking for, whatever that is, write it down, because this is what happens and this is the main reason why we are not actually attracting business builders, is because we are not even in their radar. We are not using the language that they would be using. We are not providing solutions what these people are going to be looking for, because there's three really categories of people when it comes to your prospects, right? So number one is somebody who is looking up to you because you are a step ahead from them and they're looking up to you. And then you have kind of people who are on the same level, and then there's people who you are looking up to, what we call our chicken list, or just people who are more successful than you. And what most network marketers do is they don't actually do anything to attract those type of people. And the people who are looking up to you and are the most people that most need this as a business because they're struggling are going to be the most skeptical, and they're not likely going to be your business builders. But just imagine somebody who is in this other category that you're looking up to, and you don't even necessarily need to be successful. Once they see this and they see an opportunity for themselves, they're the leaders. They're going to figure it out and they're going to find a way to make themselves successful. So you will find that people who you're maybe afraid of approaching, they're going to be your better prospect. They're going to be less skeptical, and they're more likely to create success, to become that leader, business builder that you're looking for. So what do we have to do? We have to change our language on how we talk, what kind of solutions we are providing, because now that you have a list of characteristics of who you're exactly looking for, who your avatar is, now you want to create content around that, and also you want to be using more powerful language. They're not going to be attracted to a stay-at-home broke mom. They're going to be more attracted to other things. So what is that? Just think of those things, and that is like number one step on attracting business builders. So my question for you is, number two, is your onboarding system solid? Because if it's not, if you don't have a path for this new person, for a business builder to run on, they're just not going to do anything, right? So it has to be really solid. And what that is going to do is going to give you the confidence, because you know that you don't have to have it all. You don't have to be like they're holding their hand. If you have a system that you can plug them into so they can be successful, that's all that you need. So if you don't have that system, I suggest getting educated, getting and creating that for you and your team, that they have a clear path for them to be successful. And that's going to boost your confidence, because you got to have confidence if you are attracting those A-listers, those people who are likely going to be business builders and leaders in your team. And then number three, it comes to mindset. So if you are having second thoughts and if you're thinking of yourself as somebody who just can't recruit, who can't recruit business builders, it's more likely that you will not, right? Because we bring about everything that we think about. So we have to get rid of that stinky mindset that is not really serving us. And what I suggest is really starting with affirmations. Find out, now you have the list and characteristics of these people that you want to be attracting to you. Hopefully you have that onboarding system in place. And now what you want to do is you want to create a few affirmations on how successful you are, and repeat them to yourself every single morning before you start with your day. And you will see how things are going to be shifting, how you're actually going to be starting to attract. So one of the affirmations can be, I always attract business builders and leaders to my team, and start your day with that. That can be one of them. And you will start seeing a shift, and this thing is going to be happening, and your mindset, when it's like that, it's going to be more positive, and it's going to create more positive results for you. So now we know who our content is for those big players, for those people who are business builders. We're going to be creating that content for them, and how you can actually learn to attract them, and then to influence and enroll them into your team. What I suggest is going through my attraction marketing bootcamp. In there you will learn modern strategy of attracting your ideal prospects. Now in this case it's going to be more business builders, attracting them, where to find them, and having them raise their hands wanting to know more about working with you. Wouldn't that be wonderful? So go ahead and register. Attraction marketing bootcamp, it's absolutely free. This is how I got started, and this completely changed my business because I was really stuck in prospecting and doing like old school methods that are not working anymore. But now I have this modern strategy that is helping me grow my team more rapidly. Hope this was helpful. If it was, smash that like button, and also consider subscribing to this channel, because every single week I share a new episode for you. And I want to know, the question of the week is, do you have a strategy for bringing in the business builders? I would love to know. Drop me in the comments below, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.